Simplify. 3y minus fraction 5y minus 1 over 2. Solution. We have 3y minus 5y minus 1 divided by 2. How do we solve this problem? The first thing we need to do now is to write 3y as a fraction, as a visible fraction. How do we write that? We can put 3y. 3y will be the numerator, then denominator will be 1, because 3y divided by 1 is 3y. So in this case, looking at the denominators, the LCM of denominator is going to be their product, because one of the number is already 1. So in this case, LCM of denominators is equal to what? 1 times 2, and that will give us 2, because one of the numbers is 1. Once you have one of the number to be 1, then you multiply the two numbers together to get your LCM. So the LCM is 2. Let's solve the problem. Now in this case, 2 divided by 1, what do we have? That is 2. So 2 we multiply the first numerator, then minus. Now 2 divided by 2, what do we have? 1. So 1 we multiply the second numerator. So in this case, the next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. By expanding bracket, what are we going to have? 2 times 3y, we have what? 6y. Now, we have minus 1 here. Minus 1 times 5y will give us what? Minus 5y. Minus 1 times minus 1. That is this minus 1 multiplying this minus 1 now. Minus times minus is plus. And 1 times 1 will give us 1. So everything here divided by 2. So what do we have? 6y minus 5y will give you what? 1y. So we have 1y plus 1 divided by 2. So it's the same thing as writing y plus 1 divided by 2. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.